The right commercial range can ensure that your kitchen teams cook meals according to the precise temperatures and consistencies expected by your patrons. But integrating a new commercial range with your facility isn't always simple. The team at Zanduco Restaurant Equipment and Supplies has great experience in this process. So, these are our tips for choosing a new commercial range. First, choose between gas and electric ranges. The benefit of a gas range is they provide instant heat, thereby supporting productivity. The leading advantage of the electric range is they provide a flat surface for even cooking and considered safer than gas appliances. When choosing your commercial range, you can always turn to our trusted experts to learn about the leading products available, including the Garland U60 U-Series. This new option from Garland is designed to support ease of maintenance and superior control over cooking processes. The range is 27 inches deep and features the largest cooking surface of any commercial range in the industry today. The Imperial IR10 heavy-grade stainless steel wraps the entire unit for heat retention, added strength, and increased endurance for consistently high productivity. It also features dual flame rings for even heat distribution. The South Bend 4601DD. South Bend features a heavy-duty spring-assist oven door, manual gas shutoff valve, and high-efficiency snap-action oven thermostat. And the all-enameled covered oven features a lift-out bottom. To learn more about our company and the selection of products in our catalog, please contact us today or visit www.zanduco.com. And remember to subscribe.